You ever feel like the second the seasons change, your vibe changes too? Like summer is all about being outside, feeling free, letting loose. But fall? Fall is about slowing down, cozying up, and elevating your whole energy. The air gets cooler, the colors get warmer, and suddenly you're like, okay, I'm ready to glow up and step into my main character season. But here's the thing, you don't need weeks or months to glow up. You can start shifting your energy, your look, and your vibe in just 24 hours. And no, I'm not talking about going broke on a shopping spree or reinventing your whole life overnight. I'm talking about intentional changes, skincare, body care, hair care, makeup, and even your environment that give you that instant fall glow. And when I say glow up, I don't just mean how you look, I mean how you feel, how you carry yourself, how you show up. Because that's the glow people notice first. Step 1. The fall skincare reset. Fall air hits different, the humidity drops, the breeze gets cooler, and suddenly your skin is like, hello? A little help, please? If you keep using the same lightweight products from summer, you'll probably notice dryness, dullness, or irritation. That's why the first step in this 24-hour glow-up is a fall skincare reset. I swap my foaming cleanser for something hydrating, creamy, and gentle. You don't want that squeaky clean, tight feeling. That's your barrier crying for help. Then I exfoliate, but I keep it gentle. Fall is not the time for scrubbing your face raw. A mild chemical exfoliant like lactic acid or mandelic acid helps brighten your skin without stripping it. After that, hydration is key. I layer toner or essence like I'm giving my skin a tall glass of water. Then comes serum, niacinamide if I'm battling dark spots, vitamin C if I want brightness, or hyaluronic acid if I just need hydration. And finally, I seal everything in with a richer moisturizer. Think creamy, soothing, something that feels like a soft blanket on your skin. Oh, and sunscreen? Non-negotiable. Just because the sun isn't blazing doesn't mean UV rays aren't doing their thing. Protect your glow, always. Step 2. Body care glow up. The next part of this glow up is body care. Because listen, glowing skin doesn't stop at your face. When I'm doing a 24-hour glow up, my shower turns into a full body spa. I start with an antibacterial wash to make sure I'm fresh. Then I follow up with a scented body wash that matches the vibe I want for the day. Cozy vanilla, sweet berries, fresh citrus. That's the fun of fall. You can switch it up depending on your mood. Then comes exfoliation. I either use a sugar scrub or make a DIY one with sugar, honey, and a little oil. It buffs away dead skin, smooths everything out, and gets your body ready to absorb all the moisture you're about to give it. If I shave, I exfoliate first so I don't deal with ingrown hairs. Then I use a rich shaving cream. Even drugstore ones can feel luxurious when you take your time. When I step out, I don't wait. While my skin is still damp, I moisturize. First lotion, then oil. Sometimes even layering a butter on dry areas like elbows and knees. That's how you lock in hydration and keep your skin glowing and soft under all those fall layers. Step 3. Hair care refresh. Your hair deserves a reset too. Summer can leave it dry, brittle, or weighed down from product buildup. Fall is the perfect time for a deep condition. I like to use a rich mask, really massage it into my scalp and ends, and let it sit while I do the rest of my shower routine. Sometimes I'll even warm a little oil and massage my scalp before shampooing. It feels so relaxing and stimulates growth. The way your hair looks and feels changes your whole vibe. Whether it's a silk press, braids, twists, or a slick bun, freshly treated hair frames your face and instantly makes you feel more put together. Step 4. The fall makeup switch. Here's where the fun starts, makeup. Summer makeup is light, glossy, barely there. Fall makeup? It's cozy glam. It's deeper tones, warm shades, a little bit of drama, but still effortless. For skin, I keep it dewy and hydrated, but add a little soft matte finish with powder in key spots. For eyes, I'll reach for warm neutrals, maybe a bronze shimmer on the lid. Lips? This is where the season really shows. Berry, plum, brick red, or even a soft brown gloss, these shades instantly say fall. And you don't have to do a full beat. Even just swapping your lip color for something warmer makes you look seasonally elevated. Step 5. The environment glow up. Now, let's talk about something people overlook, your space. You can glow up your whole routine, but if your environment feels chaotic, your energy won't shift. So as part of my 24-hour glow up, I set the vibe. Light a candle, vanilla, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, whatever makes you feel cozy. Make yourself a cup of tea, maybe chamomile or chai. Put on a playlist that matches your mood. When your space feels calm and intentional, you feel calm and intentional. And finally, the most important part, your inner glow up. Because all the skincare, hair masks, and makeup in the world won't hit if you don't feel good inside. So I journal, I stretch, I take a walk, I drink water. I remind myself that confidence is the invisible perfume people notice first. When you carry yourself like you love yourself, it radiates louder than any product. So that's the glow up, and yes, you can do it in 24 hours. Skincare that hydrates, body care that pampers, hair care that resets, makeup that feels cozy and elevated, an environment that sets the vibe, and inner care that keeps you grounded. By the time you wake up the next day, you'll feel like a whole new person, and everyone else will notice, not just because you look good, but because you glow different. That's the fall glow up.